What up, y'all? It's your boy, Black G, the 413 nigga from the block, from the hood. You know the vibes, guys. I didn't want to talk about something, people. I didn't want to talk about something. Like, last night on WhatsApp, I posted something about my favorite artist. I added Drake, I added Kendrick Lamar. Even though they beefing, they still the greatest. I added Eminem, Tupac, Biggie Small. I added everyone I could think of that's my favorite artists. And I added upcoming artists from my neighborhood, like Dope Boy SA, and yeah, who's this X? I Pleasure P, and I added a lot of people. I added Air West, all of the people I could think of. And the one dude I didn't add, Cat Maestro. He's like, dude, why didn't you add me type shit? And I told him like, bro, no, I can't do that. Oh, that's my little sis, by the way. Yeah, and he asked me why did I didn't add him. I was like, nah, bro, you're not. For me, you're not the greatest artist. For me, you're not the greatest upcoming artist so far. He's dope, but not that dope. Considering to my experience as Black G, the 413 nigga, he's not that great. He's just Cat Maestro, bro. He just adds a deep voice to everything. So guys, like people like that, you should like look out for. They call being egotistic, like they got an ego, bro. So yeah, fam, love y'all guys. Subscribe, hit that follow button, respect.